Hello everyone. Today we will start 5.4 arithmetic expression. Hello everyone. Today we will start arithmetic progression exercise 5.4. This is optional exercise, but each question in this exercise is as important as another exercise. So in first question, let's start. In first question, what is the first negative term? So first negative term means an should be less than 0. An should be less than 0, right? So a plus n minus 1 into d should be less than 0, and here it is a equals to 121 and d is equals to 117 minus 121, right, which is negative 4. So 121 plus n minus 1 into d is negative 4 should be less than 0. So 121 minus 4n plus 4 should be less than 0. So 125 minus 4n should be less than 0, and this one is 125, so this is 4n. So 125 upon 4, n is greater than this. Now we get the value is 31.25, okay, and n is greater than this. It means that 32nd term, okay. So 31.25 के बाद जो term आएगा, that one is 32nd term. So 32nd term. Now let's move towards the second question. The sum of the third and the seventh term of AP is 6. The sum of the first, third term and seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. So A3 plus A7 is equals to 6. What does it mean? It means that A plus 2D plus A plus 6D equals to 6. And 2a plus 8d is equals to 6. So can we write that a plus 4d is equals to 3 and a is equals to 3 minus 4d, okay. And according to question, it is saying that their product. So let's make a line and then we'll solve it. Their product, okay. So their product is A3 times A7 is equals to 8. Means A plus 2D times A plus 6D equals to 8. Now putting the value A equals to 3D here, A3 minus 4D. So 3 minus 4D plus 2D into 3 minus 4D plus 6d equals to 8. So 3 minus 2d into 3 plus 2d equals to 8. So a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square equals to 8. So minus 4d square equals to negative 1. So d square equals to 1 by 4. Therefore d is equals to plus minus 1 by 2. Now d is plus minus 1 by 2 shows that sum of first 16 terms of an AP. So a we will get, अगर मैं d को 1 by 2 लेता हूँ, then a is equals to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. That is 2 2s are 4, कट गया तो 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So a is equals to 1 and d को फिर minus 1 by 2 लेकर के भी आप solve कर सकते हो. So d is negative 1 by 2. When you will take negative 1 by 2, then that will a will be different, okay. So कोई एक लेकर के will solve first some 16 terms of an AP. So A16 we need to find out, that is 16 by 2 into 2a plus 15d according to sum of n terms. that is 8 into 2a, 2 into 1 is 2, and 15 into 1 by 2, that is 8 into 2 plus 15 by 2 is 7.5, so 9.5, so 8 into 9.5 is equals to 76. 76 is your answer. So this one is 76. आप negative 1 by 2 करके भी you can do. So let's take D is equals to negative 1 by 2. So A is equals to what was the value of A? A is equals to 3 minus 4D. 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2, you will get 3 plus 2, that A is equals to 5. So S16 is equals to Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and S16 is equals to 16 by 2 into 2a plus 15d, that is 16 by 2 into 2a is 5, 2 into 5 and plus 15 into minus 1 by 2. So 8, this is 10 minus 7.5. So 8 into 2.5. So this one is, answer is 20. So A16, 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 A16. So इसमें there are two answers. Next see, let's understand one thing here. That one is very important. Without understanding this, you will not get it. Suppose there is a ladder. Okay, you will see that this one is called rungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in 8 rung, you will see that how many gap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one, a gap is one less than the rung, or you can say that ki rungs are one more than the gap. So the total height is this one is type of this one is 25 centimeter and this one is 45 centimeter. So number of rungs आपको निकालना है, because total height is 250 centimeter and this one is 25 centimeter. So number of rungs is equals to 250 divided by 25 plus 1, that is 11 rungs. So S11 we need to find out. Okay, we know Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an also. So 11 by 2 into 25 plus 45. So 11 by 2 into 70. So this one is 35. Say cancel. So 35 into 11 is 385 centimeter. This one is your answer. Now the houses of a row are numbered consecutively. See, the houses are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and somewhere it is x minus 1, then x, and this is x plus 1, and then it is 49. So can you tell me one thing, when we will talk about this one, when we will talk about this one, is sum of these terms, like sum of these terms is equals to sum of total 49 terms minus sum of this term? Is it possible? Means I am talking about the sum of x minus 1 terms is equals to sum of 49 minus sum of x terms, right? Sum of x minus 1 is equal to what? Sx minus S49 minus Sx. So let's start. This one is your equation 1. First of all, find their value. Okay. So Sn, using formula Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S49 is equals to 49 by 2 into, acha, this one here a is 1 and d is also 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 1. Okay, so S49 is equals to 49 by 2 into 2 plus 49 minus 1 is 48. So this one is 49 by 2 into 50. So this one is 25 into 49 is 1225. This one is S49. We get S49. Now we will find Sx minus 1, which is x minus 1 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 plus x minus 1 minus 1 into d is 1. So Sx minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus x minus 2 into 1 is x minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled. So this will be x square minus x by 2. This is Sx minus 1. Now we will get Sx plus Sx. So this is x by 2 into 2a, 2 plus x minus 1 into d is 1. So x by 2 into 2 plus x minus 1, that is, this one is Sx is equals to x by 2 to x plus 1. So this one is x square plus x by 2. This one is Sx. Now putting the value what we find out, we will put the value. So we will put the value here in equation number 1. What was the equation number 1? Equation number 1 says that S49 minus Sx equals to Sx minus 1. So 1225 minus Sx is x square plus x by 2 is equals to that Sx minus 1 is x square minus x by 2. Let's see what happened. What comes? This one is x square minus x by 2. X square minus x by 2. So 1225 is equals to x square minus x and plus x square plus x by 2 minus plus cancel. So 1225 is equals to 2x square by 2, 2 cancel. So 1225 is equals to x square, that implies x equals to 35. This one is your answer. Small terrace football ground comprises of 15 steps. This kind of question is like 15 steps means what is the value of 15? Is it n? So first step, you can say first step is 1 upon 2 meter wide. No. Second step is is 1 meter wide. Okay, third step is 1.5, that is 3 by 2 meter wide. No, so this one is making AP. Height is 1/4 and length is height is equals to 1/4 meter and length is given, that one is 50 meter. So you know the formula of volume. Volume is equals to L into B into H. Okay, so let's find V1, which is equals to A1. So L into BL is 50, breadth is this one 1/2 and height is 1/4. So this will be 25/4. V2, that is E2, 50 times this one is 1, wide is 1, height is again 1/4. So this is 50/2. So volume 1 and volume 2 we get. So A1 and A2. So D we can find out, 50/2 minus 25/4, that is D is equals to A2 minus A1, which is 25/2 minus 25/4. So 25/4. D is 25/4. Now the sum of how many steps are there? 15 steps. So we need to find S15. Okay, that is 15/2 into 2A plus 14D, right? So S15 is equals to 15/2 into 2 into A is what? A is 25/4. 25/4 plus 14 into D is 25/4. 25/4. So this one is 15/2 and this one is 25/2 plus 175/2. So that one 25/2 is 200/2. So this is 100 and this is 50. So 750 meter cube. Okay, so volume is equals to 750 meter cube. Okay, so that's all, 5.4. So have fun and till then, okay, tata, bye bye.